Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add an AI chatbot to your Shopify store. To begin, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Apps. Then, click on the button that says Shopify App Store. This will take you to the App Store where you can search for AI chatbot apps. In the search bar, type Chatbot. You will see many results. Click on the app, then click Install. Shopify will ask you to give permission for the app to connect to your store. Click Install App to continue. Now you will need to set up your chatbot, give your chatbot a name, and also give your store name. After configuring these settings, your chatbot will be active on your store. That's it. Your Shopify store now has an AI chatbot. It can help your customers 24/7, reduce support time, and even help increase sales. You can continue to adjust the chatbot anytime from your app dashboard.